I'm going to talk to you about lazy spas today because I have a spa now. Don't get me wrong, they are, for the price, they're really good, and I have had mine for about a year and a half now, and it's still running fine. Now, one of the things that do annoy me with it is the top bladder, and I have seen multiple posts on the internet and multiple feeds saying that the same thing, they're having problems with the spa, and it's always at the seams where these connections get holes, and no matter what you do, as many you do, you seem to get it just going down. And the trouble is it's real pain when the bladder has got no air in it, because the top cover falls in. It's just a nightmare. So I have contacted them before it was out of warranty, asked them about it, got no reply at all. And I tried another time, but no reply again. So I pretty much given up now. It's out of warranty. So what I did is actually cut it around here, and so not up the top, but around a little bit further down on the middle, and actually put kids' noodles into it. I know it's an out of cuff way, but I'm a Kiwi. We think outside the square. So what I did is put noodles in there, and there was about 12.2 noodles, and basically you put in the noodle, and then in the bigger ones, the top ones, they will take a full noodle, and you cut a little bit off to go in. The reason why I cut it a little bit there is you can actually put a noodle in there, put it and join it there, and what that means is you can make this really tight, but there's no actual stress on the end of it, because if you put it at the end, they're just gonna fall out, which is frustrating. So yeah, so that's pretty much what I did. It works really well, so recommend taping it up, and also putting it on the inside of the cover on the tape end. And so what that means is it's all watertight and everything, and it will just work. And I've had this going for about 2 months, and I haven't had a problem. And it's lovely to think, oh, I don't have to worry about this silly thing falling, the silly thing deinflating, which has been very, very frustrating. And it actually it makes it quite rigid, so it's quite good. So yeah, that is my solution to it. Now, one thing I would like to ask you guys is, I've got a Hinsky spa, and down the bottom of the spa I get folds in it where it's stretched, but my one, these spas are actually airtight, so there's really no reason for that. I'm just wondering if you can put a like or follow or comments if you've come across this, because it's incredibly frustrating. And like I say, I have commented, taken photos, sent it to them, but no response also. So yeah, let me know, and hopefully this is helpful for you.